Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the develop schedule process. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. Friend, develop a schedule is the process of analyzing activity sequences, duration, resource requirements and schedule constraints to create the project schedule model. At the end of develop a schedule process, you will have a finalized project schedule which includes the start and end dates of each project activity, the relationship of activities, the resources of activities and the total duration of the project, etc. The input for this process are project management plan, project documents, agreements, enterprise environmental factor and organizational process assets. The tool which we use for this process are schedule network analysis. Schedule network analysis is the overarching technique used to generate the project schedule model. It employs several other techniques such as critical path method, resource optimization techniques and modeling techniques. Critical path method. The critical path method is used to estimate the minimum project duration and determine the amount of schedule flexibility on the logical network paths within the schedule model. This schedule network analysis technique calculates the early start, early finish, late start and the late finish dates for all activities without regard for any resource limitations by performing a forward and backward pass analysis through the schedule network. Resource optimization. Resource optimization is used to adjust the start and finish dates of activities to adjust planned resource use to be equal to or less than resource availability. Leads and lag is also another import, and the data analysis, very important tool which we use for this. Then leads and lags. Leads and lags are refinements applied during network analysis to develop a viable schedule by adjusting the start time of the successor activities. Leads are used in limited circumstances to advance a successor activity with respect to the predecessor activity, and lags are used in limited circumstances where processes require a set period of time to elapse between the predecessor and successor without work or resource impact. Then schedule compression. Schedule compression techniques are used to shorten or accelerate the schedule duration without reducing the project scope in order to meet schedule constraints, impose dates or other schedule objectives. A helpful technique is the negative float analysis. The critical path is the one with the least float. Project management information system. Project management information system include scheduling software that expedites the process of building a schedule model by generating start and finish dates based on the inputs of activities, network diagrams, resources and activity duration. Agile release planning. Agile release planning provides a high-level summary timeline of the release schedule, typically 3 to 6 months, based on the product roadmap and the product vision for the product's evaluation. Agile release planning also determines the number of iterations or sprints in the release and allows the product owner and team to decide how much needs to be developed and how long it will take to have a releasable product based on business goals, dependencies and impediments. Now the output of this process are schedule baseline. Schedule baseline is the approved version of a schedule model that can be changed only through formal change control procedures and is used as a basis for comparison to actual results. Project schedule. The project schedule is an output of a schedule model that presents the linked activities with planned dates, duration, milestones and resources. Schedule data. The schedule data for the project schedule model is the collection of information for describing and controlling the schedule. The schedule data includes at a minimum the schedule milestones, schedule activities, activity attributes and documentation of all identified assumptions and constraints. Project calendars. Project calendar identifies working days and shifts that are available for schedule activities. It distinguishes the time periods in days or parts of days that are available to complete schedule activities from the period that are not available for work. A schedule model may require more than one project calendar to allow for different work periods for some activities. To calculate the project schedule, the project calendars may be updated as well. The other output of this process are change request. Change requests, basically modifications to the project scope or project schedule, may result in change requests to the scope baseline and or other components of the project management plan. Change requests are processed for review and disposition through the perform integrated change control process. Preventive actions may include recommended changes to eliminate or reduce the probability of negative schedule variances. Then next is the project management plan updates and project documents update is also very important output of this process. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.